Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Roblox Adventure. So, yesterday we went to Dollar Tree and there's something scary about it. Let's go. What? Oh yes. Take it off. I opened this yesterday, I played with it, so yeah, I'm 6 years old. You might be wondering how I made YouTube channel. Anyway, this is my second YouTube channel, so yeah, let's get going on. Serious. I can't open it! Oh my god. Take 3 hours. I'll go get some help. Bye. I'm back, guys. And there. Want to see it? Yeah. It's gooey. We want to see it? Yeah, slime. Wait, let's go. I think this is Gavin. I think so.